Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP and want to keep it ultra secure in 2025, transferring it to a hardware wallet is a smart move. With crypto regulations tightening and hacks on the rise, hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor offer top-notch protection. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently from start to finish. First things first, make sure your hardware wallet is fully updated. By 2025, most wallets will have enhanced security features, so connect your device to your computer and install the latest firmware. This usually takes just a few minutes, don't skip this step. Next, set up your XRP account on the wallet. Open your hardware wallet app, navigate to the XRP section, and create a new wallet if you haven't already. You'll see a unique public address. That's the key to receiving your XRP. Write this down or keep it safely stored. It's case sensitive and essential for the transfer. Now, head over to your exchange or current XRP wallet. Log in securely. Use two-factor authentication if available. Go to the withdrawal section, select XRP as the asset, and paste that public address from your hardware wallet. Double-check everything. In 2025, some exchanges might require additional verification like biometric scans for extra security. Enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees. XRP transactions are typically fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Hit confirm, and you'll get a final approval prompt. On your hardware wallet, confirm the transaction using your physical device. This adds that all-important layer of security. Once the transfer is complete, check your hardware wallet balance to ensure everything's there. It should show up almost instantly. And that's it. You've successfully moved your XRP to a safer spot. Remember, always back up your seed phrase and never share it. If you're new to crypto, start small to avoid any mistakes. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments below.